In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable French writing support in Grammarly, allowing you to get the most out of its newly enhanced multilingual features. Whether you're working on a project in French or simply want to refine your language skills, being able to access French language suggestions can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive into the setup process and understand what exactly you can expect from this feature. First, you need to make sure that you're using a version of Grammarly that supports multilingual suggestions. This includes the Grammarly app for Windows or Mac OS, as well as the browser extension. These platforms are designed to help you navigate multiple languages seamlessly, including French, and are essential to enabling the features we'll discuss. Once your setup is ready, the process is impressively straightforward. You start by writing your text in French. There's no need to manually switch any settings at this stage because Grammarly's intelligent system automatically detects the language you're using. Whether you begin typing in French or switch from another language mid-write, Grammarly recognizes the change and begins offering relevant suggestions that cater specifically to French writing norms. And maybe you're wondering about adjusting your general language preferences, especially since language use can vary broadly. Suppose, for instance, you intend to refine specific dialects or want language suggestions tailored to your primary language habits. In that case, you have the option to do this through your Grammarly account settings. Simply navigate to your account settings by heading to the Account tab, clicking on Writing, and from there, you'll find Language Settings. Here, you can fine-tune your preferences to ensure that Grammarly's suggestions align with your language style, whether it be French or any of the supported English dialects. Now, if you're utilizing Grammarly's app on either Windows or Mac OS, you'll have a slightly different route to adjust these settings. Open the Grammarly widget or menu and go into the settings. Under Customization, you'll see an option labeled I Write In. While this particular setting is more focused on customizing English dialects, it's still a useful tool if your work span across different English variants. However, keep in mind, this setting is more about refining your English writing preferences rather than switching the primary writing language from English to French or vice versa. And there you have it. By setting up your Grammarly properly, you get to enjoy an intuitive, hassle-free experience while writing in French. This way, you ensure that all your French texts are as polished and grammatically accurate as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Grammarly's multilingual capabilities.